Interested in learning how to code but don't know where to start? Here's your roadmap to becoming a coder. Step 1. Choose a programming language. The first step in your coding journey is deciding which language to learn. Popular choices for beginners include Python, JavaScript, and HTML, CSS. Python is great for general programming, JavaScript is essential for web development, and HTML, CSS are the building blocks of web pages. Step 2. Learn the basics. Once you've picked a language, start with the basics. Learn about variables, data types, loops, and functions. There are tons of free resources online like Codecademy, Free Code Camp, and YouTube tutorials. Step 3. Practice, practice, practice. Coding is a skill best learned by doing. Start with small projects like building a simple calculator, a personal website, or a basic game. This will help reinforce what you've learned and build your confidence. Step 4. Join a community. Being part of a coding community can provide support, motivation, and valuable feedback. Join online forums like Stack Overflow, Reddit, or local coding meetups to connect with other learners and experienced developers. Step 5. Explore advanced topics. As you get comfortable with the basics, start exploring more advanced topics like data structures, algorithms, and different frameworks or libraries. This will deepen your understanding and expand your skill set. Step 6. Build a portfolio. Showcase your skills by creating a portfolio of projects. This could include websites, apps, or any coding projects you've worked on. A strong portfolio is essential if you're looking to land a job in tech. Step 7. Keep learning and stay updated. Technology is always evolving, and so should your skills. Follow tech blogs, attend webinars, and continuously learn new tools and technologies to stay ahead in the field. Ready to start? Grab your laptop, pick a language, and begin your coding adventure today.